My DIY hair oil.
Hey, it's me. Welcome back to another episode. Today we are in a boop bathroom, and today we're going to be learning how to make my hair oil. So, you know, being natural is very important. You need your oils, you need your butters, and you need your creams. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my hair oil. And I'll be putting little cards in there describing to you what each oil's benefit is. So let's get on to the video.
Alright, so my hair oil in general consists of 10 different oils. There's 5 base oils and 5 essential oils. And this oil is really good for people with really thick, really dry hair. There's definitely oils in here that stimulate growth and circulation, but my main goal is to get moisture and sealing.
Okay, so we're gonna start mixing the different oils. My hair personally and me, we love olive oil. So I'm gonna put extra virgin olive oil in there. It's gonna be 50% of the oil. So I'm gonna put 4 ounces.
As I mentioned, olive oil is one of my favorite oils. It has emollients in it, which allows it to soften the hair. It's one of the few oils that are actually able to penetrate, and it's really good for dry, thick hair. It strengthens it and keeps its back.
It's a little more than 4, but like I said, we like olive oil. So there you go. This is gonna be our avocado oil.
Avocado oil itself is full of vitamins like biotin, vitamin E, as we know is very good for our hair. It also has oleic acids and fats that also help soften and strengthen our hair. And this is also great for carrying our essential oils.
The measurements don't have to be 100% correct, but you want to have, this is about the ratio I prefer in my oil. Okay, now I have my jojoba oil, and I'm going to add about an ounce of this also.
Jojoba oil is another one of those oils that are full of vitamins and minerals that help nourish our hair, and it's also an anti-inflammatory and helps nourish the skin cells, which is great for the follicles in the scalp.
Black Jamaican castor oil.
Castor oil helps moisturize, thicken, and strengthen your hair. We know that castor oil helps us grow our edges back, grow our brows thicker, plenty of benefits.
So this brings us to 7 ounces. And the last ounce is going to be occupied by coconut oil.
Alright, so I'm not one of those naturals that swear by coconut oil. I'm not like the biggest fan of coconut oil, but I know she has her time and her place. So I just put a little bit of her in my oil. They help get rid of bacteria, it's antifungal, and it also strengthens and minimizes dandruff on your hair.
Alright, now that we have all our base oils in here, I'm going to add the essential oils that I like to use. Yes. Okay, so the first one I'm going to put in, the first one I'm going to be putting in is the rosemary oil. I'm going to put 3 drops of this. Actually, I'm going to put 2 drops. 1, 2.
Rosemary improves thickness and hair growth, and it also improves cellular generation.
Once again, these essential oils are very potent, so you don't want to put too many. We have peppermint. I'm going to add 1 drop.
Peppermint oil increases circulation, and that also helps promote hair growth.
Well, not too many. Well, you don't want to add too many essential oils, and you also don't want to put too many drops of the essential oils, because certain ones can cause your scalp to burn. Tea tree oil, don't love the smell, but you know, has a lot of benefits. We're gonna add 1 drop.
Tea tree oil is antibacterial and antimicrobial. This also helps promote growth because it keeps your pores unclogged.
Okay, we're gonna add 2 drops of lang lang.
Okay, lang lang. So if you have oily hair, this is probably not the oil for you. It helps people with really dry scalps, and it also smells good. It improves the texture and also reduces breakage.
Okay, and the final essential oil we're gonna add in here is going to be lemongrass. You're gonna add 2 drops.
Okay, so when I originally put lemongrass in my hair oil, I put it in because it smelled good to help mask that tea tree scent, but it actually turns out that it has benefits for your hair. It helps reduce dandruff.
Now that we have all our essential oils in there, we have all our base oils in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and invert the bottle in and out to mix it. And this oil is good for, you know, sealing your ends, sealing your hair, and then also it's really good for hot oil treatments because of all the beneficial oils in there.
I also wanted to add that I get all my base oils from the grocery store. I really like a food grade oil, so I know that it's good for inside and out.
If you try it and you like it, let me know down in the comments. And that's all, folks.